Let's learn cleaning tools. Broom, broom, sweep, sweep. Dustpan, dustpan, clean up. Mop, mop, wipe, wipe. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Suck, suck, clap your hands. Duster, duster, dust, dust. Sponge, sponge, soft, soft. Scrub brush, scrub brush, scrub, scrub. Squeegee, squeegee, wipe glass. Clap your hands. Spray bottle, spray, spray. Cleaning cloths, wipe, wipe. Bucket, bucket, fill water. Rubber gloves, wear. Clap your hands. Toilet brush, scrub, scrub. Plunger, plunger, push, push. Glass cleaner, spray, wipe. Detergent, detergent, wash clean. Clap your hands. Broom and dustpan, sweep up. Lint roller, roll, roll. Floor scrubber, scrub floor. Trash can, throw away. We learned 20 cleaning tools. Great job!